16th participant in the Silva challenge is Daniel at the DKS.Creates YouTube channel. I'll have links to his YouTube channel and his Instagram page in the description for this video. These tubs are going to start looking familiar because I'm finally able to start consolidating things, and so different tubs are getting mixed together. So there will be some new things you'll see in these. There may be some old things, but I'm going to make a tub or box out of it and send it off to him. This thing is a Maisto Slayer. That's kind of dark and evil looking. With Halloween coming, that could come in handy. That's a Johnny Lightning holiday car. 2002. Had to raise my glasses to be able to see it. Heck, that's really pretty. Wonder if he'll butcher it or not. It's good to be butchered like that. I mean, you can chop it up. It'll be yours to decide what to do with it. The builds need planes. I put planes in lots of them. I wonder if I can get I thought the landing gear might go down. This is made by somebody. It's apparently an F-22, a YF-22. Missing one of the fins back here, but you can do something with that. I'll find a way to stick this in the box somehow. Oh! Obviously, yeah, this is the Ford Super Deluxe. You've seen it before. I stuck one of these in Jay's challenge box, and I had to because it had a turd. And Daniel, you're getting one of these only without the real riders. But you can decide what you want to do with the turd. Actually, you can decide what you want to do with all of it, for that matter. What else do we have in here that looks... Eesh. And it's like an evil Maisto theme here. This is the stock car. S-T-A-L-K-C-A-R. Stock car. Vampire stock car. Yeah. You get that to go with the other Maisto. That only makes sense to me. I'm not sure why, but it does. Yeah. That's kind of cool. The Sonora Shredder Matchbox. Yeah, should be able to do something kind of cool with that. Another Maisto. Huh. Maisto Knuckle Dragger. Huh. I'm surprised how many Maisto castings there are in here. I wonder why that is. That's kind of cool. That is Roar by 4 by Matchbox. That'd make a great post-apocalyptic thing. That almost has like a plane concept to it at the same time. So let's I'll worry about that in a minute. Eesh. Definitely don't need a truck trailer in there. Oh, there's an old Blackwall Hot Wheels. Huh. Baja Hauler, I think is what it is. I should know that, but I don't. But yeah, who knows? Maybe instead of gas-landing it or post-apocalypticizing it, you will restore it. Who knows? Oh, that's cool. I just like the looks of that. The Deuce Roadster. Yeah, that's a nice looking little casting. How to put these things. Okay. Oh, there's some engines. Huh. Yeah. I think those are somehow, they're not 3D printed. You're going to have to cut those engines off at the base. But I don't recall. Hey, how about a pink Tootsie Toy Roadster? Sure. It'll go well with the other Roadster. Oh, there you go. That's kind of cool. Hot Wheels. I mean, the wheels need a little work. Sand Stinger. Okay. We're gonna have to get that plane back in that box somehow. Eesh. I'm trying to stay within one. That's kind of cool. What is that? That is no name. It's Hot Wheels. A lot of these have bent wheels. It can't be from how I'm going through these tubs. That definitely can't be causing that problem. Yeah. There you go. That's kind of cool. What is that? That's what, a Porsche 917? I should know, but I don't. Throw that in there. Oof. Man, that. You gotta love this. This has a big gun on it. I'm assuming, no, maybe that's the intake. Dear Lord. Can't tell what this says. No name. But, yeah. Could be a gun. Could be the intake. It's whatever you think it is. I think the plane wants in. Okay. Plane's in there. We don't have a lot of room left. Huh. Not even sure. No idea how to land on that. Let's see. We got a plane. We got a bunch of cars. Are we missing anything before I throw some 3D parts in there? The Fast Fortress. That's definitely a plane car. Yeah, we'll work that in there. How are we doing on space here? Yeah. Still able to close. Anything really flat. Speed bump. Yeah, that's about as flat as I'm gonna find. That'll fit in there. Daniel, I think that's it. Casting wise, well, Hot Wheels made for McDonald's. Yeah, put that in there somehow. Okay. I think that's it for castings. Let's get this tub out of the way and move on to, first, recently Time Rider sent a bunch of 3D printed stuff he had. So let's work some of that in there. Let's give you these 3 matching sets of tracks. Figure out what you're gonna do with those. The heck? Yeah, you can figure that out. I think these are Bone Shaker exhausts that he designed. This is all stuff, as I recall, that he designed that's in here. That's on his Thingiverse page, or at least a lot of it is. There's some rockets. There's something. Some engines. Wheels. What about wheels? I don't know, size-wise, similarity-wise, those all look, that looks wider. Those all look the same. I'm just gonna throw some stuff in here, Dan, and you can figure out what you're doing with it. These are also some wheels that he designed. They're more of a rope look to them with flaps. So that could come in handy. So that's out of the Time Rider tub. And then I've got my resin printer back up and going. So I've been printing like a nut. And we'll throw some more engines in here. Some rockets. More rockets. Some rams and shields. You can put the gun shooting through these. I finally realized that the other day, that that's more of what they're designed for. But yeah, here's guns and some more guns and another gun. Okay, out of that one. And then I haven't put these in a challenge before that I can think of because I haven't printed any of these. But here's some skulls. A lot of them lost their jaw in the printing because of how I printed them. But that's okay. And some tanks. And some jerry cans. And a few more skulls. So I think, Daniel, that's it. This is the 16th challenge box going out to you. Have fun with it. I can't wait to see what you do. Everybody, thanks for watching these videos. Stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.